In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily see full call history on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. If you want to see your call history and see who called you and what time, all you have to do is just open a phone app and then at that bottom toolbar tap at Recent. That will show you your previous calls in that big list, and you can scroll down or up to search for some specific call, and also that's where you can remove some calls if you wish from that list. To do that, just hit add edit, and then you will be able to remove any calls from your call history, just like that. After that, we can hit add done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.